Now, while you could go and do a Zoom integration, very straightforward, get you up and running in a short amount of time. And if you want instructions on how to do that, you just simply click on the question mark. It takes you to our Zoom integration guide, and then you can follow along on Zoom integration. We do have integrations with other systems. So if we go into our Knowledge Center, you can see here there's also a description of our WebEx integration. So if you want to follow through and learn about our WebEx integration, it will take you through the guide to provide the WebEx integration information as well. But there are also other ways to integrate with the Wordly solution. So we're going to go back here and talk about some of those ways to integrate. Now, what's really critical for Wordly is not that you simply use the attendee site, but that you also need to be able to get that audio in. Now, we've shown you the guides for integration directly with Zoom and with WebEx. Now, the next thing that we have is integrations with a variety of virtual conference platforms. This is not an entire list yet. We are literally adding more every day, but we have integrations with platforms such as Glisser, Intrado, Mobile Writer, Excel Events, and Umbrella. All of these platforms allow you to use Wordly. They have different presentations of Wordly. Some of them are very embedded. Some of them are more like the Zoom solution where you have a pop-up website, but at the same time, they've embedded the audio piece so that it makes the audio streaming into the Wordly cloud very easy. And then the final option that you have for, well, there's actually two more options that you have for getting audio into Wordly. The next option that you have is streaming software. So you can use things like OBS, StreamYard, and many other streaming software to just simply stream directly from your desktop, the audio from your desktop into the Wordly system. And then, of course, have it produced, as you can see, as either the transcription or to have it produced as the translation for your attendees. The final option that you have is, as I mentioned, the apps that are available on the Play Store and the App Store. They are secured, and so that means that if you wish access to those apps, you do have to notify us first, so you can't just search for them at this point. We limit the access to those applications, but if you are interested and you have signed up for a Wordly account, please reach out to us and we can get you access to the Wordly apps on the App Store or Play Store.